if you're going to use some kind of organic henna, the best way I have found to prepare for that is that you wash your hair with a clarifying shampoo to get all the oils and grease and pollution and everything out. And then you rinse that out and make a solution with about a small spoon of baking soda. I'm in Holland. It says baking soda. It's also in Dutch. And I mix the baking soda in a bottle like this with water, which I'll show you, and then shake it. And then I like this kind of, it's an old lotion bottle because I can tip it on the head and just sort of get it everywhere. Maybe I'll use this much on long hair. It's different for everyone, but you just want to get it wet, leave it on for about 1 minute, and then rinse it out, and then the hair will become dry and starving for your henna treatment. You'll let the hair dry. I think drying naturally is the best if you can do that. And then, well, it's a whole other video perhaps to do the henna application, but this is how I would prepare. So let's say I have this bottle, and then I have this baking soda. I get the top off the bottle, right? Oh, it's difficult while holding the phone, but I'm gonna manage. Okay, it's a circus bottle. Maybe I can balance it in here to show you. Well, I'm not going to be able to show you with one hand, but I'll put this spoonful of baking soda in here, then I'll fill it up with the water, and then I'll shake it really well, and then I have this ready.